Okay guys, welcome back to Altus channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a community on your Tumblr app to get started. The first thing to do is open up your app. Now here, if you are using your iPhone, your Android phone, the community icon is here. But if you're using an iPhone, it's probably you're going to find your own around here. The second icon, just click on it. So I'm going to click on it here, and this is where we're going to create our community. Just click on create. Now you need to follow all the steps here for you to be able to create your community. So what do you want it to your name of your career, your community? So I'm going to say happy day. You can see now your tagline. So I will say a community. Just make sure you give them a good tagline. Happiness. And after that, just tag add up to 10 or related tags to help describe your community. So I'm going to add some tag. I'm going to add hashtag happiness, happy new year. Oh, sorry guys. Sussex. I'm going to use Sussex story, Sussex mindset, Sussex quotes, mothership, motivation. I'm going to just make sure you all add the tagline according that goes align with what you want you to create the community on. So I'm going to make sure I put more. So you have to add up to 10. So once you're done with it, the appearance you can upload an avatar. So I'm going to upload an avatar, and you can skip all this. The privacy is the one to community or a private. Your membership, anyone can join, and here you can check anyone that you wanted to do. And this is you can see any content in the bed. Once you're done with it, just click on create here, and I'm going to click on create, and this is it. Click on create, and here our community is being creating. So let's wait a little for it. So it's really good and nice and easy to create a community on your Tumblr mobile app. So let's wait. I think the community is being creating. So once the community is done, it's going to pop out. So let's wait for it. And this scene is taking a little of our time. Now let's wait. I think it networks. So once you're done, just follow the next step, and it's ready for you to be easy. I'm going to wait a little and see if it's going to done. But if not, and I'm going to stop this at this now so that you'll be able to not to waste too much of our time. So guys, if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe.